We are going from broke to rich. This is day one of turning $100 into $1 million trading gold. First, we start by looking at our 2H time frame, and we're going to try to identify our pattern, our pendulum, so that we can have our pivot. We can go ahead and remove this one because it was already used. Actually, we do not have a retest on this level, not yet, so we can still keep this one. However, we do have an updated pendulum right here, and this would give us this huge up push as our new pivot. So what we can do actually, we can highlight the close on this candle, and we'll do it like so. So as you can see, we already have this up push right here, starting from like 6:20 in the morning, and that is, it moved up a couple pips. So we're going to look for our pendulum. What I can see right here, you guys, I can see the pendulum forming. However, this one is a little bit stretched out, so I'm not going to use this one. We see we have a pendulum forming inside of our initial balance right here. So we're going to go ahead and choose that one. We're just going to highlight it. Let's get our pivot. And we actually want to just draw this out until like 8 a.m. We'll stop it at 8 because that's when the new session starts. And we'll just go ahead and label this same time as our London break. So as you can see, we had the pendulum form inside of our initial balance on our London session. We had the market move away from it, retested here. There was a small reaction. However, the market broke through our pivot point just a couple minutes ago, and we are currently trading at this level right here. So what we can do, actually, we already have our pivot point selected. We can hop over to our trade locker. And as you can see, you guys, we have $100 in our account, and we're going to be running this up all the way to $1 million. So let's go ahead and select that same level that we had from our trading view. And here I am merging two candles just for the sake of having just more volume in our candle to work with, you know. And we're just going to go ahead and set a limit right here. And we're going to put it just below this level right here. And we're only going to be risking $6 on our trade. Actually, let's do $8. We'll spread out our $100 for 10 trades. We should not be wrong 10 times in a row. So we're going to go ahead and set our buy limit. Anytime the market trades down to this level, we'll get an alert that our order will be executed. And yeah, let's go. That's it, you guys. And now we wait. So a couple minutes went by, and we are now entered into our trade. We already have a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So our management technique will be to move our stop to break even. So let's just do that. And so now we have removed all risk from this trade. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, we sniped our entry. However, I guess you can say we mismanaged our trade. What we have right now is the market trending in our direction of our trade that we wanted. And actually, I think we even already have like a 1-to-3 risk to reward on this trade right here. We're already at a 1-to-3.8, you guys. So we did kind of mismanage this trade. However, this will provide an opportunity for us to learn. And yeah, I mean, we'll just take it, and we'll be back tomorrow for day 2 of going from broke to rich.